Great Day to Be a Jet open house is going to be Friday, June 26th from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. on our central campus here in Jackson, Michigan. Guests can expect to come in, be able to not only meet with everyone who would be what's known as student services or be able to work with students or community members, but they're also going to be able to take tours of campus. They're going to be able to actually kind of walk around and see a lot of the new infrastructure we have, our new ATC. They're going to be able to see the actual air station and be able to get a glimpse into our housing as well. We're going to have faculty members here. We're going to have vendors. We have companies like Allro Steel, MDOT, MDOC is going to be here. A lot of local organizations and clubs that not only can students join, but they can also get hired to be actually kind of working in the community once they complete here at Jackson College. It's also open to our community members. If it's someone in most of the counties we serve for Lenawee, Jackson, or Hillsdale, if they were interested in just coming to see what we're about or coming to see what the campus looks like, it's completely open. They can show up and be able to jump in a tour, or they can be able to just kind of talk with us and see how we might answer questions or be able to see kind of what we offer. I think it's important for Jackson College to host our open house because we really want people to be able to know exactly who we are and exactly what Jackson College is supposed to stand for, because it's kind of in the name. We are a community college, so we work to benefit the community. We work with a lot of our employers, so it's nice for them to be able to see some of the employers we work with here, but it's also just kind of nice to be able to come here and meet the people who are kind of keeping this up and running, and remind the community that not only are we here for them, but we're actually here to support them through whatever they would like to get through.